Namaskar, this is Dr. Shalini. I'm consultant reproductive medicine from 9M Fertility. So today we are going to discuss about twins. Many patients come to me and ask, ma'am, I don't want to go for fertility treatment because there is incidence of twin pregnancy. The answer is no. Not all patients undergoing fertility treatment or IVF may have twins. The incidence of twins may vary from 9 to 12% depending upon many factors. What are the factors? The factors may be age of the patient, number of embryos transfer, and the quality of embryos transfer. So, if we transfer very high quality embryos, the incidence of twins may be more. But if the quality of the embryo is average, then the incidence of twins may be as discussed before. So, if you are not okay with having twin pregnancy in your fertility treatment, then you should clearly discuss with your doctor, and transfer of a single euploid day 5 embryo can reduce this incidence and help you conceive a single child. So suppose we transfer two embryos and both of the embryos implant, then how will you know that you have twin pregnancy or not? The initial part of your implantation, you may not have any symptoms of twin pregnancy. But when your beta HCG time comes, the value may be higher. That may indicate twins. And early pregnancy scan can also diagnose twin as early as possible. But sometimes what happens, one pregnancy may fail to grow and only single pregnancy may survive. So the confirmed diagnosis of twins is done after a viability scan where both the fetus grow at a equal rate. So what are the complications of twins in IVF pregnancy? Some women may suffer from excessive nausea, vomiting, and the pregnancy may be high risk pregnancy because of twins. So, if you want a single pregnancy, better go for a PGS guided single euploid blast transfer. That will increase your chance of successful pregnancy by 90% and reduce the chance of twin pregnancy. Thank you.